drippin', drip, drip. Came through drippin', drip, drip. Came through drippin'.
What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with a brand new slime video for you and I'm super excited because it is a slime trade. I haven't done a slime trade on YouTube in such a long time and I'm really excited because it is with my girl Nichole Jacklyne. She's literally like one of my best friends, so I'm really excited. If you're excited for the video, don't forget to give it a big slimy thumbs up for me. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel to become a unicorn. Here are the unicorn fam shoutouts for today. Thank you all so much for being here and for having your post notifications on. You are literally amazing and I love ya. If you would like one of your comments shouted out here on my channel, then all you have to do is comment down below using hashtag unicorn fam. Make sure you're subscribed and also hit that bell to turn on the post notifications. That way you're notified every single time that I upload a new video. Also y'all, I totally forgot to mention in like my last couple of videos, but I'm actually going to be at Slimer's Turf, which is like a slime convention, and it's actually tomorrow Saturday in the Los Angeles area. I'm really excited. If you all see me, make sure you say hey. I'm not selling or anything because originally I didn't think I was going to be able to attend, so I'm just literally going as a fan, but I'm really excited anyways and I want to meet as many of you as I can. I believe the tickets are almost sold out, so I will leave the ticket link down below in the description box so that you can purchase a ticket if you want to go. It's super last minute, I know, but it'll be really fun and the tickets are pretty cheap actually. So yeah, with all that out of the way, I'm super excited to show you all the slimes that Nichole sent me, so let's get started, shall we? Alrighty, I am so excited to show you all what Nichole gave me. She was super generous. So in this card here, there is just listed down the slimes that we have. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slimes that I'm going to be showing you today for our review. And then there's a bunch of other goodies in here, like a pigment powders. I was super shook because you never really find that in a package, like a slime package. So thank you, Nichole. You are the queen. Thank you very much. This is from Solar Color Dust. So is this one right here, literally 2 pigments. Like, what? Also, I know that y'all peeped this Daiso clay right here. She included some blue Daiso clay. Thank you so much. Daiso clay is so hard to find, so anytime somebody gives it to you, like, be eternally grateful to them. Just saying. There's also this really cute unicorn squishy. I love this one so much. It's so freaking adorable. There was also this really cute dinosaur little squishy guy, and he just looked really cute. I know you can barely tell because of the packaging, but just know it's very cute. And you know, just in case 2 pigments, Daiso clay, and 2 squishies weren't enough, bam, she threw in another squishy. This one is like a blue waffle squishy with some, like, you know, syrup on it. It just looks really cute. There's some candies, all my favorites. Thank you, Nichole. You are legit so generous. The generous queen. So like I said earlier, there are 5 slimes that Nichole included in the trade, and they're each bubble wrapped and protected nicely. Nothing spilled, cracked, or anything like that, which is always very good. So we're going to go ahead and start off with this one right here. So this one right here is called a Banana Berry Crunch Milk, and I love this slime a lot. It is a figgly slime is what people are calling it now. It's like semi-jiggly and thick at the same time. It also has these large pink foam beads in there that just give it a great texture and bubble pops as well. This one smells exactly like strawberry banana and it's really good. I really liked this slime and I don't know, the ASMR was really good. This slime here is banana nut bread, and I really love the scent of this slime. It smells so good, just like baked banana nut bread. It's really good. It's super thick, as well as you can tell it did a really good job at keeping the shape of the container, and I love that personally. It's just so aesthetically pleasing, so I really liked it. And of course, the bubble pops from this one are great as well because of those Java chips. I feel like all of Nichole's slimes have really great bubble pops and are sizzly, so that is pretty good. This one I loved, and there was some glitter in there to represent like the little spices that are in banana nut bread, and I loved it. So this next slime is actually called Funfetti Pound Cake, and this one had such a really cool and unique texture. It was very thick and creamy as well, and it had marshmallow foam beads as well as large purple foam beads as well. And I just thought it gave it a really unique texture because you never really find thick and creamy slimes that have foam beads. It was just really nice. It gave great bubble pops as well, and I love the little sprinkles at the bottom too. It was just a nice touch, and I really liked this slime. This slime inflates so much, as you can see right here. It's super crazy, and that was just from a couple minutes playing with it. This next slime right here is the maple butter pancake slime, and it smells really good. This is another classic Thiggly slime, and it has some Java chips in it, but this one kind of feels creamy, so I don't know if there's like some clay in this or what, but it's kind of creamy. Like I said, it is really nice, great for bubble pops. It's very clicky as well. I love this one. And also, I don't know, I really like the color of this one. I don't know if you can tell because it kind of looks white on screen right now while I'm looking at it doing the voiceover, but it has like almost like the color of a glaze, like when you when you mix milk and powdered sugar together, like to get a glaze, like for like pancakes or whatever you put it on. That's exactly like the color of this. I don't know if Nichole did that intentionally, but if she did, she's a genius. And yeah, I just really like it. And I saved my favorite slime for last. This one here is Pineapple Under the Sea. I peep the SpongeBob reference, Nichole, and I love it. Just to let you know, I see you, girl. I see you. I really love this slime. It is pineapple scented, and it is a foam. My goodness, I can't say enough good things about this slime. It's sizzly. I don't know how she did that without any like clay or snow, but it definitely is sizzly. And it has a bunch of great bubble pops once you mix in those foam beads. It has a great texture. I love it so much. I even posted like a little clip of this on Instagram, and you all seem to like it as well. It's a knockout KO. Love it. This slime is so bubbly, it literally inflates so much. This was just after like what you saw me playing with it. I actually played with this a little bit after I filmed this video as well, so it was already a little inflated, and then I inflated it even more. I legit filled 1.5 8-ounce containers. Like, that is just wild to me out of one 8-ounce slime. Alrighty, y'all, well, that is pretty much it for this video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to help your boy out and give it a big slimy thumbs up for me. Also, if you've gotten this far in the video, you should probably subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!
Talk behind my back, but never up in my face, though. I just want my money, chips, guac, and queso. Dame un beso.